Hi, I'm Philip, and today I'm going to show you exactly what the difference is between a hammer drill and an impact drill. The hammer drill has two functions: screwing and drilling without the hammer action, and drilling with the hammer action. It's used for the powerful processing of masonry, concrete, or stone. And now we'll take a look at the impact drill. It features a 2-speed gearbox with 3 functions: screwing, drilling, and hammer drilling. It's perfectly suited for light drilling into masonry and metal, or for drilling holes in wood materials. Both of these tools are compatible with every battery in the 20-volt series. Which one are you going to use next? You got this!